The structure of the tomato breaks down.
Texture is refined at this stage.
Foundation is ready for cooking. Automation ensures perfect proportions. Texture and taste unite. Automation ensures accuracy at speed.
The product reaches the consumer.
Every bottle of tomato ketchup begins here, in open fields shaped by precision farming.
It all begins here, in the fields, where we harvest thousands of pounds of ripe tomatoes every day.
Only fully matured tomatoes are chosen for consistent ketchup quality.
Mechanical harvesting increases speed without compromising tomato integrity. Quality control starts long before the factory doors. Efficient handling preserves freshness from field to factory. Timing is critical when freshness defines flavor. The journey from farm to factory begins. From soil to steel, the process transitions. This is where tomatoes become ketchup. Fresh tomatoes arrive at the heart of ketchup production. Precision begins before a single tomato is unloaded. The factory takes control of the flow. Every batch is measured with industrial accuracy.
Human oversight reinforces automated precision.
Fresh tomatoes advance toward their first refinement. The first cleanse prepares tomatoes for transformation. Only clean tomatoes move forward. Only the best remain in the process.
Human precision supports automation.
The structure of the tomato breaks down.
Solid fruit becomes flowing base.
Texture is refined at this stage.
The pulp is held in these massive stainless steel tanks, where agitators gently rotate to maintain consistency.
The base of ketchup now moves as liquid. Consistency is carefully maintained. The foundation is ready for cooking. Heat begins the transformation into ketchup. Controlled cooking develops depth and color. Precision guides every degree of heat.
Balance between pressure and flow is essential.
Flavor intensifies as moisture leaves. The base moves toward final balance. Every addition is carefully calculated. Automation ensures perfect proportions. Texture and taste unite. Consistency is constantly verified. The final refinement locks in quality. Now, the product is ready to take shape.
As the ketchup moves through the refinement units, high-speed mixers continuously adjust the texture.
Before bottling, safety is secured.
Here in the holding tanks, the sterilized ketchup is kept in constant motion by these agitators, ensuring a consistent flow to the bottling line.
Heat protects every drop.
The sterilization phase is critical. These high-pressure units use slow-rotating agitators to guarantee consistent quality and safety.
Balance keeps the system moving.
Cooling prepares ketchup for packaging.
Quality is checked without stopping production.
Standards are confirmed.
Production moves forward. Stability ensures precision.
Timing defines accuracy.
Packaging begins its journey.
Every container is verified. The final form is moments away. The product finally takes its familiar form.
The sterilized ketchup flows directly to the filling machines, where precise nozzles ensure every bottle is filled to the exact volume without spilling.
Precision flows at industrial speed. Clean execution preserves quality. Consistency is enforced automatically. Every detail is refined. Time and air complete the bond. Order prepares the next step. Every closure is guided into place.
The automated capping machines ensure a perfect seal on every bottle, operating at high speed without human intervention.
Quality is verified visually. Sealed to protect freshness. Standards never pause production. Momentum carries the process forward. Accuracy defines the presentation. Verification happens instantly. Flow is adjusted without stopping.
Check the viscosity on line 3. It seems slightly off target.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Looks stable.
The factory moves under constant watch. Information keeps production aligned. Efficiency allows no interruptions. Many streams become one. Health checks happen in motion. Automation hands off to refinement. Precision prepares every bottle for approval. Accuracy is measured in millimeters. Every seal is tested for trust. Presentation matters as much as taste. Nothing escapes the final check. Only perfection proceeds. Every count is exact. Order prepares for packing. Timing is engineered. Balance keeps the system smooth. The final form approaches. From product to package, bottles are organized for their journey to shelves. Every package is shaped precisely. Automation ensures accuracy at speed. Sealed for protection and presentation. Every carton is marked for traceability. Quality is ensured at every step.
Efficiency stacks order.
Protection prepares products for the journey ahead.
Order flows seamlessly to storage. Storage is as organized as production.
Every pallet is accounted for digitally.
Packaging concludes as products prepare for delivery. The journey from factory to shelf begins.
Careful loading secures every shipment.
Distribution networks carry the product nationwide. From factory line to store display. Presentation ensures consumer confidence.
Each bottle is ready for the customer.
Selection begins the final journey.
Every transaction finalizes the process.
The product reaches the consumer.
From production line to table.
And this is how modern factories produce tomato ketchup from start to finish.
Comment what's next.